Okay, you guys better enjoy this because this is a bitch to do. Rosewood stiletto, 18 inches. Bayonet blade. Okay, then we go to the pearl, 15 inch. Dagger blade. And we should have another pearl. There it is. 15 inch. Bayonet blade. Frank Beltrame made these. These are just gorgeous. Okay, moving on. Another 15 inch. Dagger blade. And another 15 inch. This is a crisp blade. Okay, here are about two of each on these. These are ivory bayonet blade. Here's the other bayonet blade. Ivory. These are 13.5 inches. Or thereabouts. Ivory with a crisp blade. All these are absolutely matte. Another ivory with a crisp blade. And another 13.5 inch ivory with a dagger blade. Moving on to the rosewood section. 13.5 inch rosewood dagger blade. How'd I miss this? Okay, this is walnut, 15 inch bayonet blade. Forgot about that one. Okay, let's see what else we got. Here's another 13.5 inch rosewood bayonet blade. And let's see, what else can we do? 11 3/4, I believe. Crisp blade. Ivory. Simulated ivory. Okay. This one. Simulated ivory with a dagger blade. Here's another ivory dagger blade. This is a custom made one. Custom built. That's actually real mother of pearl. It's a pick lock. It's not a production piece, it's a custom piece. Okay. Moving on to the pearl. Bayonet blade. Moving on to the black. Standard blade. Here's the 13 MS. Rosewood. Bayonet blade. I'll set that over there. Okay, moving on to the swing guards. honeycock handle, 11.5 inches, dagger blade. Yep, I knew I forgot the pearls. Okay. There's another one with the dagger blade. Put that right back here. Okay. Yep, we got another one. Okay. Another pearl, 11.5, or I forget what the exact length on it. Dagger blade. Pearl handled bayonet blade. Swing guard. Pearl handled bayonet blade. Swing guard. Simulated ivory, bayonet blade, swing guard. I keep missing these. Here's another honey-handed one with the dagger blade. Put that one right up there. Here's another honey swing guard. And that's got a dagger, no, it's got a bayonet blade. There's black swing guard, bayonet blade, ivory, dagger blade. Real nice standard blade, swing guard. This is a custom job. That's from France. Standard blade. Hubertus, I believe it's called. Crisp blade. These are beautiful. They're German.